Section 1.6, Ratios, Percents, and Multiplying and Dividing Real Numbers. Objective 1, find the ratio of two quantities. We will be using ratios to compare two quantities. There are several ways to denote a ratio. A to B, or A in the numerator with a fraction bar over the value of B. So for example, the average income in California is $51,190, while the average income in Mississippi is $37,963, the lowest of all 50 states. Find the unit ratio of the average income in California to the average income in Mississippi, and then interpret what this ratio means. So it says here that we want to find the average income of California to Mississippi. So California is written in the numerator, and Mississippi's number is going to be written in the denominator. So 51,190 divided by 37,963 gives us an amount of 1.3. So we can say that the average income in California is 1.3 times greater than the average income in Mississippi. Another example. The population in Canada is 35 million, while the population in America is 319 million. Find the unit ratio of the American population to the Canadian population and then interpret what this ratio means. Well, again, it's going from American to Canadian, so it's 319 divided by 35, which gives us approximately 9.1. So then we can say that the population in America is 9.1 times greater than the population in Canada. Next example. In 2013, the average annual tuition in public four-year colleges was $8,070, and the average annual tuition in public two-year colleges was $2,792. Find the unit ratio of the average annual tuition at public four-year colleges to the average annual tuition at public two-year colleges, and then interpret what this ratio means. So again, we are starting out with the four-year. So we're looking at the public of the four-year, so that is 8,070. And then we're comparing that to the public two-year colleges, which in a denominator is 2,792. So when we do the division, we get a unit value of 2.9. So we can say that the average annual tuition at four-year colleges is 2.9 times greater than the average annual tuition at two-year colleges. Next example. Dexter has a balance of negative $3,789 on his Chase credit card and a balance of negative $9,462 on his Visa credit card. In part A, it says find the unit ratio of the Visa credit card balance to the Chase credit card balance. So we have negative 9,462 divided by negative 3,789, which gives us approximately 2.5. In part B, it says if Dexter would like to pay off both accounts gradually in the same amount of time, assuming the same interest rate, describe how the result found in part A can help guide Dexter in making his payments. Well, that means that Dexter should pay 2.5 times more to the Visa than to his Chase.